Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use same Telegram account on two devices. So let's get started. So firstly, make sure that you have the Telegram app installed on both of your devices. If not, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. And once you have downloaded the Telegram app, simply open the app and log into your account. Tap on the Start Messaging option available there. Now the thing is, you'll have to use the same number you have used in another device, and after you enter the same number, the verification code will be sent to your number and you can log into both of your devices. So confirm login, and after the login is confirmed, you should be able to use the same Telegram account simultaneously on both devices. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.